Apple is known for premium products and premium prices. That's why the Apple TV 4K has always had a reputation as the luxury streaming device that nobody really needed. After all, why spend over $100 when your smart TV already has Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus built in? Most people laughed it off as unnecessary. But in 2025, Apple shocked everyone with a massive price cut on the Apple TV 4K. And suddenly this little black box is back in the spotlight. So is it finally worth buying now? In this video, I'll show you exactly why this new pricing could make the Apple TV 4K the best deal Apple has ever offered. We'll talk about its speed, its hidden features, its smart home powers, and why it might just replace every other streaming device in your house. Why people ignored Apple TV before. Let's be real. Most people didn't buy the Apple TV because of the price. When cheaper options like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, and Chromecast existed, spending $150 plus on Apple's box seemed unnecessary. And if you already had a smart TV, the thought was simple: why spend more money just to stream? But here's the thing. Apple TV 4K has always been more than a streaming device. And with this price drop, it finally makes sense for a much wider audience. The Apple Silicon advantage at the heart of the Apple TV 4K is Apple Silicon, the same type of chip powering iPhones and iPads. This isn't just marketing, it means your Apple TV stays fast and smooth for years, while most smart TVs slow down after just 12 to 18 months. No laggy menus, no crashing apps, no endless loading screens. Just pure, reliable performance. And if you've ever dealt with a slow TV interface, you know how much of a difference that makes. Cinema quality in your living room. Apple TV 4K brings serious home theater features: 4K HDR for sharper visuals, Dolby Vision for richer colors and contrast, Dolby Atmos for surround sound that fills your room. It's like having a personal IMAX at home. And with the iPhone calibration tool, you can adjust your TV's color balance in seconds. No professional setup needed. The remote gets smarter. The Siri remote deserves some credit here. Apple redesigned it to be intuitive, comfortable, and functional. It has precise navigation with the ClickPad, quick voice search with Siri, and now a Find My feature so you'll never lose it again. It sounds small, but anyone who's lost a TV remote between couch cushions knows how game-changing this actually is. The ecosystem superpower where Apple TV really crushes the competition is in ecosystem integration. AirPlay lets you instantly share photos, videos, and even your entire iPhone screen too. The TV.FaceTime on TV means video calls feel larger than life. AirPods auto-connect for private, late-night viewing. And of course, full access to Apple Arcade, Fitness Plus, and Apple Music. This isn't just streaming, it's a device that connects every part of your Apple lifestyle. The smart home upgrade beyond entertainment. The Apple TV 4K doubles as a HomeKit hub. That means it controls your smart home devices even when you're away, whether it's turning on lights, checking cameras, or unlocking the door. This single box quietly becomes the backbone of your connected home. The price that changes the story, and now the reason we're all here: the price. The Apple TV 4K 2025 starts at just $129. That's a serious shift from Apple's usual pricing strategy. It means this device is no longer just for hardcore Apple fans. It's now a mainstream option that competes with other premium streaming devices, while offering way more in terms of speed, features, and longevity. To the old price, the Apple TV 4K was always a tough sell. But now, at just $129, it completely changes the story. It's no longer just a premium streaming device for Apple superfans. It's a future-proof, fast, and powerful entertainment hub that works better than the apps built into your TV. And it stays smooth for years. Add in the Apple ecosystem perks: AirPlay, FaceTime, Apple Arcade, Fitness Plus, and smart home controls, and this becomes more than a streaming box. It becomes the centerpiece of your living room experience. But I want to know what you think. Is this new price finally the sweet spot, or do you still think Apple is charging too much? Let me know down in the comments that if you found this video helpful. Hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple news and reviews, and share this video with anyone who's thinking about upgrading their setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.